No hands. Put your hands back. Get them out. Get them out.
No.
Ah, Blake, get that hand down or you're disqualified. Come on, Alex. Get your face in there. Come on, Marcy. Get your face in there. Get them out. Oh, Connor.
Mine are out.
Yours are all out. Oh, there we go.
Yep.
Good job. Blake, get your hand away.
I just take big handfuls of them, or mouthfuls of them.
Nice face.
I get them all. I got them all.
You got them all?
Oh,
And look at my face.
Marcy, you're eating them. You're not supposed to eat them.
You're supposed to put them on your
You
napkin.
silly girl.
I did it, but one fell out.
Good job.
One fell out.
Oh, no.
I can do it. Look at my
5,
face.
4, 3.
Nice.
Got them all out.
Perfect. Good job. All right. Time's up.
And,